Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna. I work as Manager Advisory at Enterslice. Today we will discuss about the new guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India on the new scale-based regulatory framework for the non-banking finance company. NBFC in India have been eagerly awaiting these guidelines as they completely change their regulatory framework applicable to them. Till date, NBFC were categorized based on their asset size, complexity and activity. Since the NBFC sector has grown tremendously in the previous year and these entities have come up as major players in the Indian economy, the bank felt a need to categorize them based on their risk profile. The Reserve Bank of India has issued a discussion paper for public comments on 22nd January 2021 and based on these inputs, it has come up with the guidelines on 22nd October 2021. These guidelines shall come into force from 1st October 2022. Regulatory structure for the non-banking finance company. Regulatory structure for NBFC shall comprise 4 layers: base layer, middle layer, upper layer and top layer. NBFC in the lowest layer shall be called as the NBFC base layer, NBFC BL. NBFC in the middle layer shall be known as the NBFC middle layer and so on. Base layer. Base layer shall comprise of the non-deposit taking NBFC below the asset size of 1000 crore and above, and NBFC undertaking the following activity: NBFC peer-to-peer lending platform, NBFC account aggregators, NBFC non-operating financial holding company, NBFC not availing public funds and not having any customer interference. Middle layer. Middle layer shall comprise of all the deposit taking NBFCs irrespective of their asset size. Non-deposit taking NBFC with asset size of 1000 crore and above. NBFC undertaking the following activities: standalone primary dealers, infrastructure debt funds, core investment companies, housing finance companies, infrastructure finance companies. Upper layer. Upper layer shall comprise those NBFC that specifically identified by the Reserve Bank as warranting enhanced regulatory requirement based on a set of parameters and scoring methodology. We will discuss about this in our coming videos. Top layer. Top layer will ideally remain empty. This layer can get populated if the Reserve Bank is of the opinion that there is a substantial increase in the potential systematic risk from the specific NBFC in the upper layer. Such NBFC shall move to the top layer from the upper layer. Regulatory changes under scale-based regulations. SBR. Regulatory changes under SBR for all the layer in the regulatory structure will include net owned funds. Most important change in the regulation is that regulatory minimum net owned fund criteria for NBFC ICC, NBFC MFI and NBFC Factor shall be increased to 10 CR. Earlier it was 2 CR for NBFC ICC and 5 CR for NBFC MFI and Factor. However, the Reserve Bank of India has provided glide path to existing non-banking finance company to achieve the same. Existing NBFC has to achieve 5 CR till 31st March 2025 and 10 CR till 31st March 2027. For new NBFC registration, the limit for 10 CR will be applicable from 1st October 2022. So it is a golden opportunity for the new applicants to apply for the NBFC license before 1st October 2022. Afterward, new applicant will face challenge in maintaining the liquidity of 10 CR in comparison to the existing limit of 2 CR. It is because they need to keep the funds in the form of the fixed deposits at the time of making application with the Reserve Bank of India till they get the license. NPA classification. NPA classification for the non-banking finance company. As on date, the NPA classification is 180 days, which has been reduced to 90 days based on the glide path provided by the Reserve Bank of India. Experience of the board. It is mandatory to have one person in the board who has professional experience in managing the affairs of NBFCs. Ceiling on IPO funding. There shall be a ceiling of 1 crore per borrower for financing subscription to IPO. This is effective from 1st April 2022. For regulatory change in ML and UL, we will come up with the more videos. Please subscribe to our channel for more such updates.